What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I'm going to do Adidas Harden Vol.5 Futurenatural Core Black. So let's find out where is the difference. The stitching on the fake is a lot more higher here and here than the authentic. You can see the authentic is end up here and this one also end up here, but look at the fake. Also the collar is too big, you can see. Another sample, still same. So the patch here, it's more like planted on the authentic compared to the fake. It's more like horizontal. Moving to the other side of the shoes. Still same here, you can see the pitches here is a lot more higher here also than the authentic. And also the tags is a little bit go down on the authentic than the fake. You can see it's a lot more come up. It has no gap here on top of these tags. Another sample, still same. This one a little bit goes all the way down to the patch here. You can see on the authentic we can still read this volume 5 chapter 1 / chapter 1, but look at the fake, you cannot see the volume 1 chapter 1. We can read that. This one also, it's totally go down, has no gap here on top of this. And this one also, you can see there's a gap between the patch and the tags, but look at this, there's no gap. This one also, this one all the way come up, but look at the authentic, it's slightly go down. You can see here chapter 1 and creator is slightly go down. And also don't forget this, the stitching here is too high here also than the authentic. So moving from above here, you can see there is a gap between the string and the yellow patch here, yellow stitching. There is a gap, but look at the fake, there's no gap, it's too close. So let's take a look at the heel counter. You can see the outsole here is slightly to the right and the stitching here is too high compared to the authentic. And this one also, the Adidas logo and the stitches is too close. Here's the stitching and here's the Adidas logo is too close, but look at the authentic, you can see a lot more gap here. And this one also still same, too close. And the last one is the fake box, same, still from the China version of the box here. Alright guys, that's my explanation, I hope you understand. And if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so I can make another video for you guys. So see you on the next video.